Now let's see the linear search in Python. First of all, we should have a list, so let's do the code of the list. Our list has the following numbers: 7, 1, 18, 4, 6, 10. N is the number that we are looking for, and we call it key in the linear search. Here we are looking for number 18. Then we will have if search list N. So that means when searching the list, which is this one, you find the number 18, which is in the N, print found. That means on the screen print the word found. Else print not found. So if you did not find it, print not found. Okay, so this is part of the code. We are not done yet. Okay, now let's go up and do the function. We called the function search. And whenever we want to start with a function, we have to define it with the word def. We also put the list that it will search in and the n, which is the key, the number that we are looking for. Then we will put I equals 0. I is the counter, and we always start with 0 when we are coding. Now we have to do a loop in order for it to go along the entire list. So while I is less than the length of the list, so the I is less than the entire length of the list, and if list I equal n, which means if the index number of the list equals the number that we are looking for, in this case 18, then return true. However, in the case if we do not have return true, then it will go to code I equal I plus 1, so it will add the counter by 1. So the counter will be 1 instead of 0, and we will have return false, which means it's not in the list and it didn't find it. Okay, now let's run the code, and here we will see the result if the number is found or not. Found. So it found number 18 in the list. How? So here 18 is the n, the number that we are looking for, the key. And as you can see, 18 is found in the list here. So this is why it checked the rule and it print found, as you can see here on the screen. Okay, now let's take another number, n equal 2. Then let's run the code and see the result. Not found. Why? Because here in this list, if you go along all the numbers, number 2 is non-existent in the list. And now we have finished the linear search.